Hey there, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach.
Today we have an adorable townhouse in the development of Waterfall again. It's a straight shot right here. This is exactly where we did. We got out of the development, came straight to Panama City Beach. It's kind of smack in the middle of Panama City Beach, so you're really close to shopping as you need. You're not far from Pier Park. You can hit over the bridge and get into Panama City proper, just whatever you need. It's centrally located, and if you've got kids, it's right near a great school zone, so no problems with any of that. Come on, you want to come in and check this one out. So here we are in this adorable townhouse with this great spacious open living on the bottom floor. So check out this kitchen. You've got your granite, updated appliances, and so much space. A couple people could be in here while you're entertaining. And it's right next to your dining area. How perfect is that? Just go back and forth. Now, this living space for being a townhouse is enormous. You've got these tall ceilings and this great open space. Let's go check out what the bedrooms are like. And check out this main bedroom ensuite. It's massive. These vaulted ceilings and so much extra space here. You could easily put a king-size bed. You've got enough room for a chest and a dresser. And this has an adorable ensuite. You've got your big closet here, the length of the entire wall, and this ensuite is, again, the theme for this place is just space, and that's what we want. You've got higher ceilings, double sinks, tub, shower, water closet. It has everything. Let's go see what those other bedrooms are on this floor. So I love this little landing. You've got a split bedroom floor plan. The bedrooms are on the top floor, but hey, now they're far apart. You've got plenty of space in each of the two bedrooms over here, and you gotta check out this bathroom. There's a lot of room for the kids, the friends, or whatever you need. So for more information, look in the description below. I've got the listing link there for you. You can get extra pictures, all the information on pricing, square footage, and all the fine details. And don't forget, subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Beach Show. Ring that bell so you don't miss any future videos like this one.